Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a behind the scenes process of me making my vintage jacket. Now, this pattern was something that I got, and I think it came all the way in from, I think Australia. And it wasn't the original pattern. I could tell just by the paper and the way it was drawn out that it was a copy of the original pattern. But I didn't care. I mean, all the pieces were there, and I just wanted to really make something from this. So I found a really good denim from Joann's of all places, and I pretty much cut it up. I started on it before we went on my wife's birthday trip to Puerto Rico. So once we got back, we were still busy, and right before Thanksgiving, I was able to finish it up maybe a week before, and it came out amazing. I can't wait to show you the behind the scenes process and all the details it took to make it what it was. All right, check it out.